High-intensity resistance training tips. Subscribe now, like, and share this video. Before I get started, make sure you turn bell notifications on so you can get the latest content. 1. Have a plan before you head into a HIIT session at home. 2. You won't have time to stop and think about what's coming next, so make sure your session is written out clearly. If you have not already, make sure to like this video so I know the content that I provide you provides you value. 3. All you have to do is get it done. 4. Choose pairs of exercises to superset or a series of circuits with 4+ exercises which you will repeat without rest. Leave a comment below this video if you have any questions so I can reach out to you and help you out. 5. Work in the 8 to 15 rep range per set. This is the sweet spot between intensity, load, and volume. 6. Power through each superset or circuit, and take 60 seconds after each set. Each block of work should be around 10 minutes long, and the entire HIIT workout should be 30 to 45 minutes. However, learn how to lose weight by clicking the link in the description. And make sure to subscribe now, like this video, and share this video to your friends and family so everyone can get informed of this valuable information.